our highly esteemed guest speaker, our school's division superintendent, Dr. Edna A. Pasamonte, represented by the assistant school's division superintendent, Dr. Alfredo Gomaro, district in charge, Mr. Manuel de Respicio, ministers of God, barangay and PTA officials of both Lawag and Dapig, and other feeder barangays of this school. Respected Principal of the Elementary, Mrs. Mariby Oriane, our fatherly love head teacher, Mr. Hermogenes Yulamug Jr., our loving teachers of both the elementary and high school, supportive parents, friends, visitors, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. 4 years ago, I was just a mere little boy who entered this institution with an innocent mind. But now, hindi man ako lumaki physically after 4 years. Nahubog naman ng aking pagkatao sa mas mature na ako. I am very grateful as I stand before you this morning with my developed mind and talents. I am very happy that after many years of sacrifices, we are now gathering the fruit of our diligence and toil. But, on the other hand, I am sad because we will be leaving the fold of our alma mater that sheltered us for many years, the happiness and memories that we'll always remember. This could be the best moment to give our teachers of ours our sincerest gratitude for providing us with a formal education, for the empowering love in teaching us the right way to do things and to be good students. We are sure that we added wrinkles in your face, but still, you are the most beautiful among others. We salute you for a job well done. Ang kalamang ibinahagi niyo sa amin ang siyang magiging sundalo namin sa pakikibakas sa bawat hamon ng buhay. To our parents, thank you for your love, guidance, and support. Kung wala kayo, hindi namin maaabot ang tagumpay nito. Salamat sa lahat ng sakripisyo. Hindi matutupasan ang inyong mga nagawa para sa amin. Ito ay utang namin sa inyo. To my classmates, salamat sa napakagandang samahan. Hindi ko inaasahan na magiging ganun tayo kalapit sa isa't isa. Kahit magkakahiwalay na tayo, sana'y huwag nating kalimutan ang bawat isa. I am sure we will still meet again. Sa mga naging matalik kong kaibigan, espesyal kayo sa akin. Salamat sa lahat. We also extend our thanks to our PTA and barangay officials for working for a cause. You were always behind us when we needed your support. To our beloved guest speaker, thank you for coming here to witness our graduation ceremonies. Thank you for gracing these occasions. Above all, we thank the good Lord for having given us strength and enlightenment. We beseech your blessings again to face the next journey, the college life. At this juncture, I wish to challenge my schoolmates to excel in our studies so that we will succeed in all endeavors in life. Fellow graduates of the elementary, huwag niyong sayangin ang suportang ibinigay ng inyong mga magulang. Gawin niyong makabuluhan ang pag-aaral niyo sa high school. Let us not be discouraged about the things that are happening in our surroundings. The crisis in our country, we should serve as a challenge to battle whatever obstacle will rise in our way. Sa kapwa ko mga magsisipagtapos ng iangap at antas, ituloy natin ang pagpasok sa mas mataas na antas ng edukasyon. Remember, we are the hope of our nation and that we should strive positively. Tayong mga kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayang Pilipinas. We have started on the right path, guided by our mentors. For this, I challenge everyone want to continue our studies more religiously, for this is our chance. Kahit sino'y kayang maging matagumpay, kahit panda o matangkad, kahit gwapo o pangit, maski may kapansanan man o wala, mahirap man o mayaman, basta ibigay lang natin ang lahat ng ating makaya, tiyak ang inaasam-asam na tagumpay. We can fly, and we must be proud that we can fly up high. Thank you very much, and God bless.
Thank you very much. Your passion and enthusiasm radiates from your speech. At this juncture, we may call in Mrs. Merlin Taguyo, DLHS teacher, to introduce our speaker.